Dave, don't turn it on.
It's fine.
So, let me see what it is. We went to turn it on anyway, huh? Now it's gonna get cold in here. There you go, Dave, give me your Dr. Pepper. What do you say? Thank you.
You're welcome, guys.
Are you related to the owner?
Yeah, we're partners. I'm his nephew. We came.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I could be a little influenced, but you were too young to remember, when they had the little place over there, the strip mall, like where CVS and them are now, and Walla Walla.
Yeah.
Yeah, that when he first started. Was he all like fly with these now?
Me and him own this one in Tampa. I am a part of Day City, and he's got a store in St. Pete. He watches over.
Fantastic.